Good morning. Did you enjoy the sunrise? Welcome to one of the most opulent villas you will see for sale right now here on the Palm Jumeirah. At luxuryproperty.com, we strive to bring you a unique perspective when touring a villa with us. So come with me now as I give you an amazing tour of this stunning property. Let's fly. Did you enjoy the tour? Can you imagine yourself living in such a beautiful home? Would you like more information? To arrange your personal walkthrough, contact me today.